Fleur budget app. So here you see it. Quite cute and aesthetic budget planner app, which a lot of people like by the design and the simplicity and minimalistic design again. So easily track your expenses, track your savings and debt, set a budget for each category, view all of your transactions, keep track of your spending, easily add your transactions. Fleur is a cute and simple budget planner and tracker app. The app allows you to easily add daily expenses and income. You can also set a monthly budget, create multiple accounts, and track your debt. Fleur is an all-in-one app that will help you manage your money. Key features: minimal, elegant, aesthetically pleasing, easily log in expenses and income, set a monthly budget, view transaction history, add repeating transactions, create new categories, iCloud sync, no sign in required, easy search and filter. So you can just see in here. Yeah, quite popular app to be honest. And then you can let's just open it up. So here you have it. Christmas sale, by the way. Now you can get it just for $10 one-time payment. So really cool idea to get it now. So then you can just start logging expense, income. So you can just you can then just set up and then just account, repeating, save. So you just add it like that. Then you can just add income. Whatever. So you just expenses, balance, stuff like that. Then you see insights, then you see transactions, then you see your accounts, defaulting account, can connect check-in, cash, credit card, debit card. I mean, yeah, seems you can connect everything and link. So you can see text site theme, but a lot of people really like this app for the design. So that's one of the main benefits of the app. And they also have these tutorials which you can just look how to use the app. You can press it, the app will calculate everything. So just to add transactions. That's kind of the idea in here. So yes, that's kind of the app. So you can just try it out. And they also have a lot of other apps in this category. So try it out.